How to fix Call of Duty Warzone mobile keeps crashing. So if you want to fix Call of Duty Warzone mobile keeps crashing, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now you just need to go for the Play Store, or you can also go with your app store. So once you're on the Play Store, go for the search and search for Call of Duty. Once you've searched here, you will have the application, right? So if you want to fix the Call of Duty Warzone keeps crashing, then what you need to do is make sure that you don't have an update. So if you have an update under your Play Store, instead of this play button, then you just need to tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to go back and open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now scroll down and you can go for apps, and under apps you need to go and search for Call of Duty. Once you've searched for Call of Duty, now you just need to scroll down, and here you will have storage and cache. Tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache and tap on clear storage. Once you've cleared all of the cache and storage, go back and then tap on force stop and then tap on OK and force stop the application. Once you force stop, now you just need to remove all of that and press and hold on to your power button and tap on restart and restart your device. Once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Call of Duty Warzone mobile keeps crashing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.